Hi, I'm Cami, and this is our kitchen. Welcome. Now, in this time of social distancing and limited shopping, I have been cooking a lot. And so when I approach meal times and cooking now, it's not so much, what do I want to eat, as much as what's going bad. Now, I know that sounds, okay, that I heard that sounded kind of gross, but really, it is about not wasting food. So Brent bought a plantain the other day. Plantain, I've never made plantains before, but it is going bad. So I Googled it, and I'm going to make baked plantain and frittata because I have a lot of vegetables that are on the verge. And that is really what it is about for me these days. And I'm sure for many of you. Trying to not waste food. And it's a creative approach, skills that I know will be useful even after things go back to a kind of new normal. So what I did there was I scored the plantain as it said on the internet to do. Yes, I Googled this, what to do with a plantain. I've never used this before. Full disclosure, this is our meal tonight. Okay, so I want to be careful. I don't want to break this plantain. And then it says to cut it into a 1/4 inch pieces, sort of on a diagonal. Okay, this is very, is it fruit? Is it a vegetable? I don't know. I could have Googled that as well. This
fruit.
It's not, it's fruit. It's fruit. I've had plantain chips before, and I love those. Okay, this is a little bit tight here. Let's see. I've had plantain chips before, and I really like them. So I'm hoping that these will be good as well. These are sort of like that idea of a chip, but it's thicker, it's soft, and a little bit crispy on the edges. Anyway, that is the hope. That is the hope. Learning new things every day. Okay, so I'm gonna get it in there. So about 1/4 inch slices. Let me see. There we go. And you're going to dredge it in olive oil, which I've got already. Important to keep them uniform, which I didn't quite do, but that's okay. I just don't want this plantain to go bad. Plantain, I don't want you to go bad. Now, there we go. It's a little bit slimy. Okay, here's the olive oil, right? Olive oil, maybe a little bit more there. Okay, and salt. A healthy amount of salt. And okay, I think I'll use this one. Actually, just getting the olive oil all over. I've got a baking sheet here. They said to line it with parchment paper, which I did. And I'm going to lay it out in one layer. Obviously, if you have like 3-4 plantains, this makes more sense, right? But Brent bought one. And what were you going to do with it, honey?
I was going to make dessert.
A dessert? Like a
Fritter.
Deep fry, like a fritter. Cool. Okay. I want this to be simple.
I was still going to do that. Now you're
Oh,
doing this.
okay. So I totally
You hijacked my...
I hijacked? Oh no. Okay, so 10 minutes. 10 minutes on one side and then 10 minutes on the other side. Now the timer went off. And these plantains out. Whoa. They look pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna flip those. Whoa.
Wow.
They do, eh? I've been reusing, did I flip that? I've been reusing not only foil, but parchment paper as well. Did I flip it? I did not. There we go. I'm going too quickly. No need to go so quickly. We have enough battery. Okay. And there. So that's going to go for another 10. And I'll continue with my frittata. Okay. Hiya. 10. Okay. Pressure's off. Okay, babe. It's coming. Wow. Ooh, yummy. Look at that. Okay, I've never made baked plantains. Don't they look great? Now, while they're kind of cooling down, I'm going to adjust the heat. I have to turn this off. So to 350. 350. Let's see now. Need the glasses for that. 370. 350. Perfect. Okay. Get those on a baking sheet there. Or not a baking sheet, on a plate. Don't those look good? They said that the edges would be crispy and it would be chewy in the middle. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And they said you can use this like, you can use it for dips. It doesn't have to be sweet. It could be something savory, right? Because I did salt them. Now, I will keep this parchment paper. I think it can be used one more time. Put that over to, that's it. So now we wait. And I think I want to put those plantains on another, maybe 2 little dishes. Yeah. 2 cute little dishes like this. Okay. Don't they look cute, honey?
Mm-hmm.
They look so yummy, huh? Mm-hmm. There, we each have our own. And we can dip this in, I don't know, like a yogurt dip. Or, I don't know, that's what the website said. But anyway, don't those look cute? Baked plantains.